Namaskar. Welcome to Daily Weather Briefing Program of India Meteorological Department. Yesterday, the heavy rainfall was reported at one or two places over Arunachal Pradesh, South Interior Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and Rayalaseema. Here are some significant amount of rainfall are given which was observed yesterday. Like Arunachal Pradesh reported highest of 9 centimeter rainfall, Tamil Nadu reported highest 10 centimeter rainfall, Kerala reported highest 8 centimeter rainfall, Coastal Karnataka reported highest 2 centimeter rainfall. And the conditions are becoming favorable for further withdrawal of southwest monsoon from the entire northeast India, entire North Bay of Bengal, some remaining parts of the Odisha, some parts of the Central Bay of Bengal, some more parts of Telangana, some parts of Karnataka, coastal Andhra Pradesh, and Central Bay of Bengal during next 24 hours. And the conditions are also becoming favorable for the withdrawal of southwest monsoon from the entire country around 26th of October, and at the same time conditions are also becoming favorable for the commencement of northeast monsoon rains over the southeast peninsular India around 26th of October. Today there is a cyclonic circulation over the Comorian area, and a trough is also running from this cyclonic circulation to the east central Arabian Sea of Karnataka coast in the lower tropospheric levels, and another trough is running from the Jharkhand to East Vidarbha across the Chhattisgarh, and a cyclonic circulation lies over the East Afghanistan, and another anti-cyclonic circulation lies over the central Pakistan area. If we see the weather forecast and warning for the next 5 days, then because of the cyclonic circulation over Comorian area and the trough from this Aisha to East Central Arabian Sea of Karnataka coast, there will be the heavy rainfall at isolated places over the Tamil Nadu and Kerala during next 5 days, and there also will be the heavy rainfall at one or two places over the south interior Karnataka and Rayalaseema region on 22nd of October and 23rd of October. And very heavy rainfall is also very likely over at one or two places over the Kerala on 25th and 26th of October, and over the Tamil Nadu on 25th of October. And as far as the northwest India is concerned, uh, from the today evening onwards, there will be the light to moderate rainfall will start over the northern parts of Punjab and the Jammu and Kashmir region from today evening itself, and there will be the light to moderate rainfall at many places over the entire Jammu and Kashmir, over the Himachal Pradesh, and over the Punjab on 23rd and 24th of October. And there also will be the isolated heavy rainfall and hailstorm at one or two places over the Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, and Punjab on 23rd of October onwards. There will be the rainfall, light to moderate rainfall at some places over the West Rajasthan, and light to moderate rain at one or two places over the Haryana, Chandigarh, and Delhi and East Rajasthan on 23rd and 24th of October. And there will not be any heavy rainfall over the Rajasthan and Haryana, Chandigarh, and Delhi in this episode. Except this, there will not be any significant rainfall over the entire country for the upcoming 5 days. And in the northwest India, the rainfall amount will decrease significantly from 24th of October onwards. You can download the Mausam app, Damani app, and Meghdoot app for the location specific forecast, lightning alert, and agro advisory services. You can also follow us on our Facebook page, our Twitter page, and our Instagram page for more detailed weather information in your area. Thank you.